Haircuts cost $40 now.
I know, they're so expensive.
I can cut your hair at home.
Have you ever done it before?
No, but I watched a video. It looked easy.
My hair is kind of important to me.
I'll be careful. We can save $40.
$40 is a lot.
Sit down. Put this towel around you.
Okay, but not too short.
Just a little trim. You'll look great.
Did you set up the clippers correctly?
Yes, the guard is on.
Good. The guard keeps it from cutting too short.
Relax. I've got this.
Okay, I trust you.
Here we go.
How does the back look?
Really good. Nice and even.
See? This is easy.
Now for the top. Hold still.
I'm holding still.
The guard feels a little loose.
Is everything okay?
Wait. Oh no. The guard fell off.
It fell off while you were cutting?
Yes, and now there's a line.
What kind of line?
A very short line, much shorter than the rest.
Let me see. Give me the mirror. Oh no. There's a short stripe right on top.
Don't panic. I can fix it.
Fix it? How?
I'll make the sides match.
Match the short line?
Just a little off the sides.
Now the sides are too short.
Okay, the top is still too long.
Sarah, please slow down.
One more pass. Almost even.
How does it look now?
There are still a few short spots.
A few? How many?
Every time I fix one, I create another.
My hair keeps getting shorter and shorter.
I think there's only one solution now.
I'm afraid to ask.
We have to cut it all short.
How short?
As short as that line. The same length all over.
That's really short.
A buzz cut. It's the only way to make it even.
I've never had my hair this short.
It's just hair. It'll grow back.
Okay, do it quickly, like pulling off a Band-Aid.
Here we go.
I can feel the air on my head.
There. All done. One even length now.
Give me the mirror. Wow, it's so short.
Is it bad?
It's a little messy. How am I going to go to work?
Let's take you to a barber to clean it up.
Hi, how can I help you?
Can you fix my hair?
Let me see. Please take off your hat.
My wife cut it. It was an accident.
I see. It's a little uneven.
I know. It looks bad, right?
Not really. The length is good.
So you can fix it?
Yes, I'll even it out into a clean buzz cut.
Okay, go ahead.
A little here, a little there. Done.
Wow, is that really me?
It suits your face. You look younger.
My wife was just trying to save money.
Well, you got a new look and still saved some money.
Tom, you look amazing.
Really? You're not just being nice?
No, I love the buzz cut.
So the accident turned out okay after all.
I'm still sorry about that short stripe.
It's gone now.
And we still saved $40. We only paid the barber to clean up the edges.
So your idea worked, kind of.
It worked in a strange way.
Next time, check the guard first.
Deal. Next time, just a small trim.
Deal.
You really do look good.
Thanks, but let's keep it our little secret.